Happy Friday, everyone. Thanks again for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Still talking about some northeast snow. Of course, the bigger storm was early this week, but this one cranking out about a foot, maybe about a foot and a half of snow for some folks in the northern New England states through Saturday. Another completely separate weekend storm will be barreling through the midsection of the nation, and then behind that, it does turn colder into February. So check this out. This is the webcam overnight early this morning in Burlington, Vermont, where the snow is coming down at a pretty good clip. Burlington under a winter weather advisory. And Jamestown, New York, seeing some snow overnight there as well. But the winter weather advisories are for areas that may see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow. Once you get up into the northern New England states here, Maine, especially some of the high elevations, maybe 12 to 18 inches through that Saturday time frame. So the storm, again, was a clipper, kind of like the one that we had earlier this week, but it's not quite as intense. Although you can see it intensifying as it gets just offshore, and then that snow persisting yet through Saturday. Watching the time here, but Maine is really going to be getting the heaviest of the snow. And we turn our attention back to the west as our midweek storm system here has really started to show signs of intensification now at the end of the week. And noticing that rain and snow out over the Four Corners region. Of course, a lot of festivities ongoing for the Super Bowl out in Phoenix. The good news is that weather conditions will be improving by Sunday. We also have the golf tournament this weekend out in Phoenix. And, of course, Tiger Woods out that way. But the storm system heading into the midsection of the nation. We have moisture from the Four Corners running up through the midsection, as I mentioned. But then on the northern flank of that is where we expect the accumulating snow. And we'll have to kind of watch that. But the colder air has been bottled up to the far north, and it looks like it'll be heading in our direction by early February. Today, though, still not too cold.